Right, we should be all good, guys. Pioneer's kind of bullish right now. Am I going to look for any buys here? Probably not. I'm probably going to wait till... How big is this range here? 48 pips. I'm going to wait till 158 for buys on GD. They look most clear to me. Gold. Closing no top wick, so we can't take a trade on that. Probably going to wait for a further move up, I guess. This could easily fake out and come back down as well. Gonna change this to... might change it to sells. I'm just deciding. Thing is, you got this little shitty level here. It's a bit annoying. So for me, I guess sells would be below there. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to leave it for now. Fucking hell, I haven't heard this song in a long time. So yeah guys, just going to be chilling for a while, as usual. This is what we're looking at for pound yen. I'm not really interested in buying it until we get a closure above 158. Because to me, once we get a closure above 158, I feel like there's a clean move we can make at least to here, which is about 45 pips and then maybe a bit higher. I don't really want to take any trades in this area here just because it's a bit choppy to the left, and yeah, my read on it's not very clear, so I'm not going to bother trying to trade it at that point. And for sells, it's quite choppy, that's the thing. But we could take sells coming down, they could be quite nice potentially. How much range have we got? We have about 38 pips between the level and the first kind of trouble area. So we could potentially take sells, and if we do get a closure back into this area, this kind of choppy area, there's a chance it might come down and fill the range. So it is worth looking at that. Thing is, you've got a kind of level here as well. So yeah, this whole area is just disgusting, to be honest. Disgusting. Disgusting. I like the look of gold more today. Gold's more interesting. Obviously we got a closure back above this level at 1910, but closing the top wick and the candle's massive, so I'm not going to be trading off that. And yeah, this range between 1917.75 and 1910 is pretty nasty, in my opinion anyway. I'm not going to bother trying to enter any trades while it's in this range. If we do get a closure below 1910, we've got about a 40 pip range down to the next kind of trouble area, which is 1905, so we could potentially get a small little trade there. And yeah, if we drive up and get a closure above 1917.75, maybe we can get an entry for a nice fill of this range. I mean, this is a 100 pip range, so it's a lot bigger, but there's a lot of volume in the market right now, so it's very possible that that could happen. Here it is. Just trying to find this playlist. I found it. that. MB3. Let's sit down to lean. Right, do a little treat. Well, I'm going to grab myself a coffee and a pint of water, guys. Just chilling here. We've got about another 30 minutes before we even look at taking any trades. I don't imagine we'll get a setup in half an hour. It would be probably more like the first hour after New York Open. So yeah, New York Open is in about 35 minutes. So just going to chill, get the chill tunes on, relax. If you guys want to ask me any questions, drop them in the chat now while I'm getting my coffee, and I'll answer them when I'm back. Guys, whoever's watching, let me know where you're from, where you're trading from, where in the world. Are you based in the UK like me? Are you in America? Are you in Asia? Are you in Africa? Drop a comment. We had the fucking United Nations on the last stream. We had people everywhere. All over the globe. Let's see then, how's the 30-minute closed? See, the 30-minute on gold is closed as doji, which means there's a lot of indecision. I'd say there's quite a high chance this next candle is going to drive back down. And we can possibly get an entry, although the stop could be quite big. And there's no top wick on the candle, which is a bit annoying. Stops might not be too bad. Yeah, we'll just see how it moves. Obviously, if we're going to take a sell below 1910, ideally we need the candle to close quite near the level. If it closes past, I want to say 1908.7, 1908.5, there's probably not enough room, like wiggle room, for you to get a trade. And maybe there is. We'll have to see. We'll have to see, you know, see how it plays. I suppose you could view it like this on the half hour. But we'll see, you know. But I'm basing off the hourly levels, and the hourly level is here. I suppose if we are going to take the short here, if we get closure below here, that will be the first place you manage risk. So you'll probably take some partials, move your stop to break even if price gets to that area there, and then your target is down there. Damn, 75% of people are in drawdown this week. Feels bad. Feels bad, man. It's okay. It's only Tuesday, guys. Stick to your plan. You can, good chance that'll turn around. Yeah, look at this. Coming right down. And crashing right down. Ideally, guys, we don't close below on this move here, and we close below on the next candle. That'd be great. And then we can take some sells on GJ. Price is in a really shitty range on both pairs. It's worse on GJ than it is on gold. Gold's more tradable, I think, but still not great. Brokey. Charlie, why are you not working, mate? You got wagey. Why are you not at work? You got a day off today.
Oh, okay. Great. Because I only do what's necessary.
If I mute my mic, can you guys still hear the music? Yeah, you should be able to. Why is the aspect ratio on that so small? What the hell? Man, what the fuck? Right, let me add. Why is that not working then? I'm pretty annoying. Oh my god, it's huge. Why is it so big? Why is it like that? Ah, okay. And now the text is huge. Alright, here it is. Fucking hell, I almost hit the water over. Guys, I finally got this working. Holy shit, it took ages. Alright, nice. So to hit the daily goal today, I need to gain 12 subscribers. That's pretty doable. Obviously, some of you guys are sleepers. You don't come on the stream until the New York session started. I get it, you're in bed, but motherfucker, get up earlier. Stop being lazy. Right, let's get the real tunes on. Should we do it? Let's get some big boy tunes on. Blend in. Blend in. Wow, yeah, look. Smoke. BE. Okay. We're closing through here. Stops are going to be pretty massive if we use current candle, so if we use previous candle, so we're going to have to use current candle for stops. So yeah, we can. We've got 10 minutes still, but we can look to take positions here potentially. Ideally, I don't want to use a stop loss bigger than, I'm going to say like 25-30 pips. 30 pips is the biggest I'll go on this. Obviously we'll have to wait for the top wick to create the current candle high if we're going to take a position. To be honest, I probably want a smaller stop, like 25 pip maximum. Target will be this low, but obviously we'll manage risk before then. So yeah, it might just drive and then we won't get positions, which is fine. Got 5 minutes here. We can maybe get a short on gold potentially. We'll see how it moves. It's going to be closing bearish on the hourly through this level here at 1910. If we don't drive too much, if we close around about here, ideally a little bit higher up, we're going to wait for a top wick, obviously, and then we will have sell stops on the break of the current candle low. That's if it closes in a certain way. Obviously, it can just drive. If it drives, then it drives, and then the next place we'll be looking to sell will be 1906. So yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. Just gonna chill here for 5 minutes. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Why? again and again, again and again. Yeah. Yo, chose my jam this you for a chain and give it to a sweet one called out Maya Jama. Giving out gifts like Santa, sipping on Santa. Used to do lean and wop. Closet full up with designer, coming like Panda Panda. Yeah, gal just came to the booth and asked for a wheel. She never heard drill in Atlanta. Arabic ting told me that I look like Yusuf, look like Hamza. Habibti please, Ana Akid, Inte Oana Akhla. Whip hop skull in Gaza, but not that Gaza, but still it's a Maza. Niggas want peace like a Saba, but we leverage them burn like grabba. Boy, 4 in the clears and 1 in the heady. Hand no shake, man, hold that steady. You man love pose with the ting for the picture. You man should've bust that ting already. You man love hezzy, hezzy. Yeah, can't back chat to the prezi. You know when the beef just tastes like veggie. Gal go rich for the manny petty. CC bag look nice, but the Birkin bag look way more heavy. That's just a big gal thing, man, you get me. Rainy just turned mommy, and that's my sis, so I just turned up T. Fan mail came to the crib from a youth that loves me, I swear that touched me. I never even drive no whips I own, so they all look way too dusty. If me and gal, let's go St. Michael, the gal come way too fussy, crushy. Man said they would do this and that, but the man wasn't really that wassy, was he? Nah, the man wasn't ready that what? 1942 hits my system, man, get way too frosty, buzzy. Girls from the past that lost me, love me. Same ones there that crossed me, cuss me. Everything come full circle, word to the boss above me. Slow stroking, cause the bands get way too big, my gal don't rush me. Boy, don't make me have to rise my rifle. Man, try to send some young boys for me. Don't make me have to ride by high school. Shit, you man been dropping lately. Don't make me have to fly my iTunes. So much people buy into my hype. Don't make me have to buy my hype too. Dealt with a big homie already. Don't make me have to side by side you. Enough times he tried to hide behind you. Amnesia, but when I remind you, I'm touching road and I can't find you. Word to the MOB, I'm tied to. I'm giving up when I decide to. Gee.
That next one for you was Boss, then he got shot, Nathan Tete. Put his bad beat on Henny, my next one from Yard Love Reggae. We ditching our store in Telly, then we in France putting out Trezeguet. She looks sexy, sipping on Henny, approach girl, then I pass the penny. She gives Henny, my tracksuit, Louis now covered in Fenty. Used to put a light in the cling and it still didn't stop it, smelling like Petty. Put a dark in the blue, then we put it in the red, on a telly. Them times was M-way, M-way, T-house, M-way. Now it's Penty, uptown Penty. Bentley, Range, then Bentley. Have you ever had your pockets empty? But still find a bread to afford a Trenton. 6 litres flying through F's, and I've seen life from both perspectives. That spot so far up Sarton Route, got no connection. I done run through so much Scottish notes, couldn't care about no recession. Still get a 1 joke call from Boogie. Judge gave me 20 years straight, it moved me. CPS murder in a dot like Rupert. Can't little bro when I done him so ruthless. Got his cootie, she half Cuban. Probably why she like playing with a Cuban. Said she like chilling with the Ooters, booters. Eating up town all suited, booted. They wasn't with us when the jeans were bootleg. Putting that work we had ever been spoofing. Coming from the jungle, you know where the zoo is. 4-4 of the 3-2, all bells is a toothpick. No rap cat, we just speak what the truth is. Lord forgive them, they don't know what they're doing. Shotgun, open the hatch, what doing. Still in forgot how it feels to be losing. They thought it was permanent, found it amusing. Now they strip on me like I'm canoeing. Time just flying. I'm just trying to see this life thing to my juvies. So the beef is frying. They ain't trying to stop sliding. 2C.
Take heat, too hard.
Geek never sleep, stretch 100 to millions in weeks. Got her running and riding for me. Where it's sunny, we gotta retreat. Straight from London, she out in the east. Let her shop and she keep the receipts. Don't you tell them you got it for me. After this, I'ma need therapy. I've been building up my legacy. Hundreds and hundreds on four. I've been up so far somewhere, stuck at the top, and there's nowhere to go. I was just thinking like, damn, I get a new drop, so I can circle the flow. I was just thinking like, damn, some niggas got crop. I got a circle to grow. Soon as we land, we make it go pop. Gave her a grand, she turned it to snot. Now with a man, the nigga got blocked. Gave her a 10, I'm already hot. I gave her the land, the sand, and all the views, and really all you did was plot. I gave you the fans.
Right, let's lock in here, guys. I'm potentially going to have some sell stops here. Yeah, I'm just going to see how it moves. It might just drive and I won't be able to get a position, but if we can get a top wick, and we'll have sells on the break of the current candle low. that's what we're going to do. BE point is going to be just here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's lock in now. See if we can get a position. Just need it to push up a bit, ideally. If we can come up and touch the level, that'd be great. I'll have sell stops in. To be fair, I'm going to place the sell stops now. Alright, guys, got sell stops in the market. Just drag this down a little bit. Yeah, we have sell stops at, yeah, pretty much where it is on TradingView. From the broker, it's pretty similar. Flip of the candle. I'm probably going to manage risk quite aggressively. I'm going to move to BE at break of this low if we flip, and I'll close partials a bit later. I'm just going to be quite aggressive with it because we're using current candle. Just look at the hourly. Yeah, this thing should be decent to drive down. Let's just turn this on. Right, we're about to get filled here, guys. Right, we've been filled. We are in the market now. For some reason my magic keys is not working. That's fine. Yeah, we're in this trade now. We are in the trade. If you can hear a lot of noise in the background, there is some people doing some building work. I apologise in advance, it's pretty noisy. And my magic keys is not working, that's great. Why is it not working then? No, I don't need it to work, but I just rather it would. There we go. Right. I'm just going to have a BE point down here. So we're nearly at break even. It hasn't quite touched it on the broker yet, so I'm still in the trade, not at break even yet. I'm just going to let this kind of do its thing. It might pull back, might not. See what it does. If we come up and break the high, I'm going to close 50% of the trade. So if we come up and break this, why is that massive? So yeah, we're nearly at the BE point now. Just need to push a little bit lower. Basically just need to break the low and then I'll be at BE. Let's just see if it does it or not. Right, nice, stops at break even, guys. There's a chance, price will pull back and tag us out at BE, which is fine. Just wanted to be more aggressive with the risk management on this, just because there is a chance it flips and it doesn't drive. So yeah, nice. 250. So stops are at BE now. Let's see. It's high chance it'll pull back, and this will just be a BE trade. But I'll let you know when that happens if it does. So yeah, pretty aggressive risk management from me. I'm normally more willing to let it rock for a bit longer, but I thought it's best to be on the safe side with this trade because it could just reverse. Yeah, we've been tagged out at break even. Okay, so BE trade. That's fine. It might just run now. If it does, is what it is. Better to manage risk and avoid a potential loss, as it could just reverse and break the highs. So yeah, okay, that was a break-even trade. Just change this on here. Break even. Nice. So now guys, if it runs, is what it is. I don't really care if it does or not, but you know, there is a chance, quite choppy areas, chance it doesn't and it flips back up, which in that case we did the right thing. So there's so much noise coming from outside my house right now, it's kind of crazy. I'm sorry if it's ruining the stream. But yeah, that trade was fine. We followed our plan. It was a break-even trade. Haven't had a break-even trade in a fair while, but yeah, it is what it is. On to the next trade. It's looking like this candle's going to flip, so we might have avoided a potential loss here, which is why moving to break-even is not always a bad thing. It depends on the strategy and the trader. Some people favour it, some people are against it. For me, it works for me. I feel like it does me more good than it does bad, but for other people, you know, they miss out on wins and stuff like that, so then it's not so good in that case. But each to their own, really. I'm just going to turn down my fucking hell, they are going crazy outside. I think they're cutting down a tree or something, you know. Yeah, I'm just going to turn down my volume a little bit so it's not so loud, because I think it's really loud for you guys. There we go. Maybe that could be slightly better. Something like that. So yeah, it might drive now. If it does, is what it is. No stress. If if I was going to be more aggressive with the, if I was going to be more, if I was going to be more like, give it more space for the break-even point, I would have placed the break-even at like 1907. But just with how choppy the markets are and it's not that clean, I just wanted to have it on the break of this previous low. So yeah, if it drives, it drives. Not my trades. I'm not in it anymore. Couldn't give a shit. My next point I'm looking for is sells below 1906 if we get down there. Otherwise we might just chop in this range, or we might break back above 1910. We could easily break back above 1910. That is very possible. Like, this candle could flip and then close above 1910. So just got to be looking out for that, really. That's a nasty 4-hour candle. Well, depending on how it closes, it's nasty. Wanted me to lie, wanted me to cry, wanted me to die. We've got some high impact news coming in 20 minutes, so to be honest, it's probably a good thing we're not sat in this trade, just in case. You know, you could get caught on the wrong side of a aggressive move. It's always good to stay out of news unless you've got experience trading news. I'm not someone who trades news. I don't bother with it. I just wait for the news to drop, and then if there's volume after the news, I can sometimes ride off the back of that. But yeah, it's quite a stream today compared to yesterday. Yesterday was popping a lot. Damn, most of you are in drawdown this week. Sucks for you. No, I'm joking. You'll get out of it if you stick to your plan. If you don't stick to your plan, well, then you might not get out of it. Oh well, we're driving here. We're driving. It'd be interesting to see if it does drive down, because if I was not being as what's the word? If I wasn't being as conservative with the trade, I would have had my break-even point at 1906.9. So it'd be interesting to see if price does push down and reach that area, and then, you know, that shows I moved to break even too quickly. But if it doesn't, then we avoided a loss, because this candle could flip. And if it flips, then, well, I would have taken an L. Thing is, right, I know myself, and I'm not good with taking losses. This is why I don't trade the SMC ICT style trading, because you have these massive winners, but a lot of the time you're taking losses. Most of your trades are losses, and just like psychologically, I just don't want to do that. I'd rather take loads of small little wins, a big win here and there, and then the odd loss in between. Just, yeah. Good. I drank a coffee and I feel more tired. I don't know what's going on.
bitch from overseas. Got a 10 pack up in my jeans. I'm in my hand in these stores. Don't try and run up on my feet. I knock a nigga out his sleeves while I'm shelling down his feet. Double G for the team. No, at least I got keys. Don't get your car switched. See the cooler in the cooler. He's still a Uber. He don't settle for nothing. Bluffing. Pussy more stuff while I bluffing. 380 hold a ruler. I know some niggas that'll shoot you for nothing. Run Ricky, yeah, he running. Run Ricky, yeah, he running. Baby, welcome to the party. I'm off the Myers and the lean. That's why I'm over retarded. Baby, welcome to the party. I hit the boy up and then I go skate in a Rari. Baby, welcome to the party. Bitch, I'm a thot. Get me lit. Gun on my hip. 1 and a half. 10 in the clip. Baby, don't trip.
Oh, you don't. How did the 15 close? Did the 15 break the low? No, the 15 closed just above, but if we break this low now on the 15, it should drive down. It should. Doesn't mean it will, but it should. Yeah, and it's driving. Damn, guys, that shows. Maybe I was being a bit of a pussy hole. Maybe I was being a bit of a pussy hole, but it is what it is. Yeah, guys, this was a nice move. It's a shame we got taken out of BE, but it is what it is. Can't cry about it. Just fucking gotta crack on. We would have been at BE at this point. Probably would have closed partials as well. As for letting it run, I would probably just close full at 1906 if it does push down to there, which it's looking like it might. Looking like it might come test this low, come test this half-hour low. It's quite possible, or it might reject off where the BE point was. So we'll see.
I heard it's £1,000 for a show, then I'm on the stage with them grabbing my cheeks. On the M-way, Lagitech fleece. The car on the left, it might be police. Spent that sand on a 6-shot pump. Funny how now we can spend it on jeans that sit nice with my Celine. You ever been in a BBC interview, track phone ringing non-stop, it's ridiculed. I was doing up packs and potions, but before I went and toured in Liverpool. Cold case and I told Bay I have to leave. Came right back this IE, I came off my flight in Greece. I told Drake I just listened to Greece in Greece. Came in the scene beefing. We started off bringing waps to the label meetings. Freestyle to the Slucci show with a tray 8 tucked to my tracksuit way back then it was the least. Only God knows why I'm here. Maybe all the fans wanna see street shit. Came in the scene beefing. We started off bringing waps to the label meetings. Freestyle to the Slucci show with a tray 8 tucked to my tracksuit way back then it was the least. Only God knows why I'm here. Maybe all the fans wanna see street shit.
slip, slide, trying to provide for me. For me. For me. Find me somewhere out in London, you know that's the hideaway. I need some head and some more support from you right away. Since I've been making donations to you like United Way, you know I do. Stories you told me about him, I can see that it's night and day. You told me the truth. Walking from here to my bedroom and feel like it's miles away. There's too many rooms. And I'm still hard body, I don't feel nobody. And I'm will some riding on my friendships. Solid, I get big deposits on my whips, exotic. Revving the engine, yeah, city dependent. I gotta finish it, I want opinions, yeah. She wanted things, yeah. She want a ring or some sort of arrangement, yeah. Something that's dangerous, I wanna change it, I wanna claim it, yeah. I want it painted, yeah. She quick to say no cause she know she a diamond, yeah. She getting quiet, yeah. She on the diet, she want a massage, yeah. I'm trying to get intimate, yeah. Bank account never diminishing, yeah. Niggas are changing their images, yeah. Niggas act hard but they innocent, yeah. Hop in the tank and move militant, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Find me somewhere out in London, you know that's the hideaway. I need some head and some more support from you right away. Since I've been making donations to you like United Way, you know I do. Stories you told me about him, I can see that it's night and day. You told me the truth. Walking from here to my bedroom and feel like it's miles away. There's too many rooms. And I'm still hard body, I don't feel nobody. And I'm will some riding on my friendships. Solid, I get big deposits on my whips, exotic. Trunk on the engine, I'm on a mission. The Bronco 250, I'm out your division. I got him excited, know it's been a little minute. I left her delighted, made her love of a cron. These suckers despite it.
You know what, guys? We actually would not have even hit my original break-even point, like, because before I had my break-even point on the low of the previous candle, I was originally planning to have it just about here. So we would have come so close to it, not tagged it, and then flipped up. So actually, this might have been, I think I did the right thing, you know. So yeah, it's looking like this candle might flip up now. Getting a bit of volume in the market now. My dog is whining for some reason. So yeah, ideally we get a bit of volume in the market. Either we push up and then we roll back over, come down and we get some sells, or we just keep driving up and we can get some sells above 1917.75. That is what I'm looking for today. If we don't get that, I'll probably call it a day, because there's nothing else really I'm interested in. GJ, you know, we might manage to fall, like if this is a bit of a rollover here. If we can roll over and close below 157.22, 0.266, my mistake. If we can close below there, I will look to take a sell, probably just down to this area at 156.866, so about 36 pips, if we get a nice closure. But yeah, obviously today's focus is on gold. GJ is just, to be honest, both markets are in a bit of a shitty little range that we need to just get out of. It might not be till later in the week that we break out of it. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe PPI can get us out of the ranges. And if not that, then Friday is pretty news heavy as well. But we'll see. All we can do is observe and then execute on any trades that line up, really.
ganja farmer, cutting our plants, no agriculture. Leave it to God, we don't practice obia. Planning correct, we gon' catch him. I can't go broke, that's a no-no, can't fall off, that's awkward. My chain cost 60,000, cool, that's a club performance. I don't like bragging, I'm a low life, but I like high fashion. A Miri denim, it cost the arm and a leg and a G, still sagging. Bro still chinging, bro still trapping, yin and yang, and I need more balance. Baby, I just wanna fuck, I'm sorry, I don't wanna meet your parents. They think they got one up on us. ETB, I don't trust bitches out of my doors, there's some I can trust. Won't even lie, I got PTSD, nearly done up a finger, they ran up on us. I left home when I was 14, YJ was 10 and a man in the house. We go from baby straight to men. They think they got one up on us. ETB, I don't trust bitches out of my doors, there's some I can trust. Won't even lie, I got PTSD, nearly done up a finger, they ran up on us. I left home when I was 14, YJ was 10 and a man in the house. We go from baby straight to men. Fresh out the bank, I do my little buff, but I don't know how to dance. I gotta get, I'm a champ, I gotta give thanks. Ooh, I'm in my bag, clean mix. Stretch out the pack, clean mix. Stretch out the rocks, clean kicks. Fresh out the box, beat sticks. New money and some plastic notes. My stat too big, it can't fold. We're going platinum gold with these Mount Roll flows. Come my life so cold, put rocks in my watch, you can see us all stones. I could drop a tune like a box on the stove. I'm legit now, I'm on my locked off the phone. But I'm on the moats, I got spots on my dome. I ain't a dancer, I'm a bopper. I ain't a rapper, I'm a robber, I ain't a trapper, I'm a slapper and a horrible fucker. I half M in advance, you won't get a next chance. Could've seen a bigger bag, but I got the best camp. I shook hands and I said thank G's rolls getting me rich, but it's some dead plans. I really studied the streets like it's some exams. Fresh out the bank, I do my little buff, I don't know how to dance. I gotta get, I'm a champ, I gotta give thanks. Ooh, I'm in my bag, clean mix. Stretch out the pack, clean mix. Stretch out the rocks, clean kicks. Fresh out the box, beat sticks. 4x4, fresh out the tank. Call me Santango, fresh out the bank. Sheepskin coat, fresh out the lamp. DVLA, fresh out the clamp. Clean kicks, fresh out the box. Light skin girl, man's fresh out the box. Save 3 scales till he's fresh out the box. Stress out the cops, press out the ops. Bro, so simple, them man are simping. Cat Williams, I stay pimping. Catch me in Dubai with the sheikhs and the Arabs and the princes. I'm the opposite of the infig, so check it out. It's all stages, armed and dangerous. How do I say this? Babe, I'ma say this. If you like rough play, I'll show you what pain is.
Got news dropping in 2 minutes. Let's see what it does. It's mostly CPI for the Canadian dollar, but we got the manufacturing index for US dollar. Let's see what that does. See if it does anything. I mean, the move might already be priced in right now. People anticipating it. That could be a thing. Yeah, there you go. I'm guessing that's the anticipation, or it is the news. Obviously, it hasn't come out great for the dollar, if that is the news. Well, guys, we actually avoided a loss there. So it was worth moving to BE quite quickly. Yeah, a lot of volume. Oh my god, my voice cracked then, Jesus Christ. A lot of volume coming through now. Be interesting to see if we close above this high, the 15.
And we can't get you, so we soaked his friends. I'll load up the pump, my lines stay ringing, my guys stay chinging. What's the problem, fam? I'll load up the pump, every uplift bleeding, so they started teaming, cause we smoked their gang. I'll load up the pump.
Pesky told me wake up to reality, can't lie, I was sitting there mad at him. Just imagine me 44's got these pussy hoes panicking, making youths bank food, now they're trafficking. I know it's embarrassing trying to get shit across the border. Hella youths all taking man's orders. Look, I wear a clock and that life's getting shorter. I could wig a man in front of his daughter. Now you probably surprised. Real shit, I ain't telling no lies. Real killers that I got on my side. Some spillers. JP never left shit slide. To 20 years, gotta do inside. Always down to ride. Little chef, then he died. Get him out the country, wallahi I tried. Wallahi. On these streets, man, don't care about size. I caught a boat, though, because of me pride.
I'll load up the pump, my guns are stocked up. Got grown them glocked up in a stolen Benz. I'll load up the pump, my ops are sneaky and we can't get you, so we soaked his friends. I'll load up the pump, my lines stay ringing, my guys stay chinging. What's the problem, fam? I'll load up the pump, every uplift bleeding, so they started teaming, cause we smoked their gang. I'll load up the pump.
I'm not going on Conor. No way.
Mommy,
I'm claiming it, man.
claim it. Amen. Claim it.
I said I'm not going on economy.
Yeah, right.
Stormzy is my son.
I've been the GOAT for so long, I guess it's not exciting when I win. Boo-hoo, someone grab the violins. Every time I try a ting, top bins like Hailey when he sings. So of course they don't like me, I'm the king. Tell me, why would I reply to him? I leave him hanging like Kyrie on the rim. Where do I begin? I wear the 5990 in the gym. I got a thing for shiny little things, what can I say? I'm like a young black Biden with a trim. Presidential when I'm riding in the bims. Taking pictures with my cameraman, I'm shining in my skin. Freak figures, I'm a bammy and I go and send the ting. I never wonder about who I could have been, car I'm it. Rose gold frosted or ceramic. Told bro spin it so we span it. We are not the same big mics from a whole different top bins. What I set piece.
My apologies, my mic was muted. Yeah guys, I'm not interested in this area up here. I'm just gonna ignore that for now. I'm only interested in these ranges here, the green and red. The green is where I'm interested in doing business, and the red is where I'm interested in avoiding business. So yeah, make this a bit less. Maurice, nice push up, yep. Got a nice little rally up there. Pulling back a bit now though. fair, guys. We can take buys actually. If we get closure below and then another breakout candle, so this could just be a retest to the upside. Oh, I don't know actually. The 4 hours not very great. Interesting. We'll have to see. I think the 4 hour actually needs to close below 157.266, otherwise it's probably going to wick fill. Because if we... Yeah, it's interesting. I imagine we might close above the next... actually... Yeah, if we close above and then the next 30 closes below and then the next 30 after that closes above, then we can look to take some buys. I feel like that makes sense in my head anyway. Because we've got a clean, clean area just here. I'm just going to get rid of this for now because the price is not there. Change this to green. This whole area is red because it's choppy as hell. And then below here is green. So yeah, that's what we're looking at right now, guys. That is what we're looking at. That's the thing, there's so many areas it could reject. Even if I tried to take a sell back into this range, you could try and run it to 156.8, but it could just easily reject off 157. You could even end up closing at resistance. It's just a horrible choppy range. I don't want to get involved there. Do not want to get involved with that. So on GJ, we're looking for something like this. Price to come down, close above, and then we can take a buy. That's what I'm looking for right now. Kind of something like this. You know, it came up, comes down. You get actually no, not like this, but similar type of general move where it kind of pulls back and then tests the high again. If we can come down, get the right type of closure, and then we can drive up and test this high again. That's the move I'm looking for. 5SDSS. Hello, I'm from Kazakhstan. Jeez, that is mad. Hello. Hello to Kazakhstan from the UK. As long as the 4 hour candle closes like this, there is an opportunity to trade the range. I'm guessing you're talking about GJ. Yeah, I agree. I think there is also an opportunity to trade the range if it closes like that. I've got kind of a specific thing I want to see though. And if I don't see it, I'm probably not going to take a trade. I think I've already explained, but I'll say it again if not. So I want to see... Wait, what's the time now? That's the thing. Like, the thing I want to see will probably not happen until 3 o'clock, if it does. Because what I want to see is this hourly candle close above the level, the next one close below. Actually no, we can, as long as this one closes above, then the next one can reject the level and close above as well. We just need, I need this one to close above, and then I need the next 30 to come down, close below, and then the next one to close above. That's how I'm going to get an entry if I'm going to take a trade. So something like this. Let's change this to red. If we get something like this, so the next candle closes down, 30 minute, we close below 157.266, and then the next 30 after that closes back above. On the hourly, it will look like this candle here, and then we can take some buys up. But it might just flip and drive. That's just what I'm. It's what I'm looking for. It's what I'm looking for. No doubt, we probably won't get that. It's now saying, no, we've got. Sardor, welcome to the group chat, my friend. Now, if you're looking at gold buys above 1914, I'd be careful of the minor resistance at 1915. Put that in the chat. Careful of. I've got a feeling we're going to barcode again today, guys. It's a bit of a barcodey, it's been a bit barcodey, the markets recently. Like, look over here. That is a straight barcode. You could literally scan that at the supermarket and you'd probably get a product come up. This is not as bad, but it could easily be as bad, you know. I saw this I saw this video of someone saying, when price consolidates, it always expands upwards. I mean, I guess that's true here, but it just completely came back and you would have been stopped out pretty quick. So don't believe everything you see. So yeah, for GJ, we're not going to be even considering positions until 3 o'clock UK time, 10 o'clock Eastern. So don't need to look at GJ for now. Gold, we'll see what gold does. Gold, well, obviously we're looking for a closure above here. I'm going to remove these squares now. I was just putting them on there to show you what I kind of goes through my head when I draw the ranges. So here it is now. What are you lot saying in the chat then? What about gold, sir? I've just gone over gold. No, GJ is gold. What? GJ is gold. I don't know what you mean, man. Bro, you give signals on your Telegram, question mark? I don't give signals. I mean, I say what I'm looking at and I discuss it with the other people in there, like what they're looking at, but it's not signals for you to copy necessarily. I would never advise you to copy me, and it's not paid or anything, it's free. So no, not really. I wouldn't say it's signals. It's just for discussion. And Maurice, I'm looking to test 1916. Okay, interesting. I'm just going to take this phone call, guys. 1 second.
We went off the grid. We ain't watched Stone, we took it. We went viral on them, they looking. It's a Sunday service in Brooklyn. It's a city that come with the lights. I'm with the drillers that come with the night. They ain't do 4 years of college, but they'll do 25 to life. And we make money every night. Never too big of a price. After I buy the Chicago Bulls, I'ma go and link with Mike. And if I let him have my wife, niggas should thank me. With this Balenciaga and Balenci boots and a new blue Yankee. This is jam so focused, throwing a mask, no COVID. I'ma turn your life to a meme, let Justin LeBoy post it. You got an album, postpone it. I dropped 2 and they both going. I got a feeling they in the feelings. They filming the show but won't show it. You gotta watch me in slow motion. I'm in that wide body Benz. I go back to college, do an album and then drop out again.
Right guys, quick phone call. Stream's a bit more busy now. You guys have finally got out of bed, you lazy motherfuckers. How many of you are on the stream now? 7. Guys, where were you earlier? Where were you at earlier? Gold, as long as the 4-hour candle closes like this, there is an opportunity to trade the range. Okay, my G. Yep, there is. In your head, there is. For me, my opportunity to trade is above 1917.75. If you want to take positions, wherever you're going to take positions, feel free. But I will not be following you into that. I've got my levels. I'm going to stick to them. One of my biggest problems I've had in trading when I was, not as much now, but when I was trying to get better about a year ago, is I'd always check with people if my levels were right, and it's I needed to learn to just place my levels based on where I thought they were and just stick to them and then not move them, because I'd always move my levels and then a setup would happen where it was placed previously and then I'd miss the trade and take shit trades. And yeah, you just need to stick to your own analysis. If you have similar levels to someone else, great. You're probably both going to get in on the same trade anyway, just maybe at slightly different points, but you got the same idea. But it's always best to stick to your own, have your own marked up levels and ranges and just rock with them. So for example, I've marked this whole area as a non-tradable range for myself, just because I can't see a clear trade. You guys might be different. You might see an obvious trade in this range, and feel free to take the trade. If you see an obvious trade, take it, but I don't see an obvious trade here. For me, the obvious trades that I can clearly see on the chart would be up here above 1917.75 and below 1906.13. $13 votes on the poll today, jeez. So 46% of you are negative for the week, 38% of you are in profit, and 15% of you are break even. Interesting. I'm break even. I've only taken one trade this week and it's been a break even trade. If you missed it, just rewind the stream. I took a short on gold earlier and it hit break even. So yeah.
Niggas that shoot you for nothing. Straight, shorty. Boys playing with the toolie. I bet he make a movie. Ooh, ooh. Pop dripped up in Louis. Couple hundred and some jewelry. Spent 55 on her booty. Touch her ass and nigga shoot. AP, spicy. I bust a check in my Nike. Am I a killer? Might be. Too tall, icy. AP, spicy. I bust a check in my Nike. Am I a killer? Might be. Too tall, icy. Talk to me nice. Or don't talk at all. I'll make it corner sport.
Gotta be nice, or don't talk at all.
Or don't talk at all. I'll make it corner sport. I'm off that I had a roll.
I can understand taking buys here. Above 1914, 1913 area, but the problem for me here is you've got this kind of minor resistance at 1915, between 1915 and 1915.5, and that's just kind of putting me off the trade a little bit. GJ is just, I don't know, GJ is just not looking nice right now. Like, I feel like my read, like, on GJ at the moment is very bad.
Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s. Rolexes got more than one. My AP costs 31 millimeters, 41. Stick him up with a stick.
You want to be careful buying GJ, buying gold though. You're buying it on the breakout of this level here, because you would be entering kind of at resistance, or at least quite near it. But yeah, GJ is not nice to look at right now, to be honest. We'll have buys above here. No, not too bad. Yeah.
He's got a new investment pop that showed no microphone. I'll ride for bro. He's next to I like typing O. The score 5-0, 6-1. For the kicks I love, 12.54 like 6-1. Big, can't look at my mentions. That's area 51. I'm so close to my pension. My left wrist is 61. My left wrist retiring. My apprentice trying to give Alan sugar. There's no way I can. Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s. Rolexes got more than one. My AP costs
Jordan 4s or Jordan
millimeters,
1s.
41. Stick him up with a stick. Need you the shorter one. You can't short me one. In the club with the shortest one. Lighty, the shortest one. On my mind, Georgia one. Crocodile bag, I bought a one. Vegan thing, I slaughter one. Freaks, I got more than one. Fuck, daddy and daughter one. Tory putting in labour. This that Jeremy Corbyn one.
Overrated one, most hated one. Big round they gave him a happy belated one. Burned that bridge, cremated one. Ooh, bailiff one. Murder, this that Viola Davis one. They stop and stare, watch, rare, clear, stainless one. Debate this one, hating niggas gonna hate this one. I live life on a high, might fly to the bar with the guys cause the weather's been shit. I can wear a different kettle every day of the month from a different. Rolly's got 21, I've been lit since 21. Girl, I need that gently one, that Savage and Fenty one. They've got the new Aston Martin plug, could you send me one? He said no need to be renting one. Big Flex is inventing one. Cool. My bros don't chat, we just wear all black on a blending one. Man, I'm talking war, don't know about war till you end in one. The machine got sweets on a vending one. Needed a hit, could have penned him one. Could you penned him one? She wanna go to the cinema, so we just walk downstairs. The mortgage cleared, we've overtaken all our peers. After all these years, disrespect is all I hear. I'm pep, I ball with flair. Off the set, they storm like peers. That's what I call morning tears. Then when I talk in there, but it's cool.
I got my things on more than good. Anytime that I walk my hood, I got the Jordan 4s and 6s. All I need now is Jordan Woods. Don't get caught for puss. Don't die for nyash. We slide and crash. 16 don't ride and clash. 16 don't battle rap. She got the whap and a whap. What are you thinking? Man's on simping. I buy her a car like a pair of Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s. Rolexes got more than one. My AP costs 31 millimeters, 41. Stick him up with a stick. Need you the shorter one. You can't short me one. In the club with the shortest one. Lighty, the shortest one. On my mind, Georgia one. Crocodile bag, I bought a one. Vegan thing, I slaughter one. Freaks, I got more than one. Fuck, daddy and daughter one. Tory putting in labour, this that Jeremy Corbyn one.
Got this shotgun and got it sawn off the nostrils long, so we gave it a nose job. 24 hours, I ain't had no sleep, I got PTSD, I can't see myself fall off. You don't them drills or the up best talk of. You play fast to the ref to the ball off. Bro said focus on making bread, but we always end up with toasters. You know what I do to the smokies, treat that WD-40 like Baby Johnson's. Bought Baby 9 for the tour bus and a G17 for the nonsense. North London is a war zone. Ask my broski, who's gonna go get a digger from Toxteth? It's meant to be uptown, fuck Mark Ronson.
I ain't here for the nonsense, who's on me? I'm on them. G-Log Ho 16, I can spit this verse, leave 16 on them. My thumb's so numb from the reload. 130 kilos, by my weight when I go grab reloads. In the hood, I'm a Nikon Figo. Louis V in the trenches, Fedora and a Pico. 2 G's on my off day, I'm Gucci, that's the G-code. Pocket Rocket came Lil, that's Baby, that's Pino. If you want that concert, need your mum's address. Fuck a depot.
I was in front ring with a Nina Yola, tap up city to a corner sofa, granddaddy hat and a Motorola. But it's meant to be 017, 17 years of age and thought I ever go with a B. Yo, cause I fell in love with a T, produce some notes remedy.
Do you know what trade Garen is missing from 1913? What? Oh, you removed it. Yeah, I don't know what that... I read a bit of it, I don't know what it was saying. Do you know what trade is missing from 1913 to 1918 because it has a nice hip and is clean? Let's have a look. 1913 to 1918. What time frame? Half an hour. I'm guessing you're looking at the half hour, right? It's not a bad trade, like you could take it from here to here. I'm just choosing to stay out of it because I think when you enter, like let's say this next candle closes like this. Closes like that, and it wicks down, and then you get a buy stop and you enter. The problem is there's a minor resistance right here, and you're effectively entering the trade at the minor resistance. That's why I'm going to stay out of it because I just don't like it. That's just me, but like it's not a bad setup. Like, it's not a bad trade idea. If it makes sense to you, then take it. But for me, it just doesn't look that clear. That's the only reason I'm staying out of it. Yeah, Nav, you're right. I'm just talking to Nav in the Telegram chat. He's saying we're going to range for the rest of the session. I wouldn't be surprised if we do. Wouldn't be surprised. I'm just going to allow GJ. GJ is just trash. It just looks trash right now, honestly. Literally looks like dog shit. Just not going to bother with it. I'm not going to bother with it until we get a bit higher up. I don't know why I removed that level. There is a level there. Can I just get it back somehow? How do I get it back? There we go. Just want to change it to plain. Hey guys, we're going to stay here for another hour. If we've got nothing by then, we can call it a day. Obviously we took a trade earlier. It was a break-even trade. Yeah, we haven't taken anything else right now.
Joe much by real life, catch me a body. I do tracks for a hobby, I push back to the bobby. I'm to the lorry, come most of these so-called drillers are soggy. I need more from me, I'm not sorry. Bad B said that she's riding from it, Clyde and Bonnet. She seen the diamonds on me, said slow down. I move too fast like the sirens on me. If I lived in London, I think that I'd have the trident on me. It's all timing for me, I did my time while they're on me. Led for a Honda, I just wanna give bread to my mumsy. I can't rest till I'm comfy. What did you say? Sick of these zombies, now my life's comfy. Put the bill in the restaurant on me. I just give them what they want from me, what you want from me. Consistency, constantly. Play a song for me, it's not long for me. My fans like fiends, get it on to me. Do you wanna look bad for the gram, or do you want money? I'm not guilty, so lucky. You ever been extrapolate? I'm worst case, luckily. I don't know what's up with me. You can't really say that you grown up with me. If you didn't go country me. So drugs for me, would you hold guns for me? Low cook with me. How you gonna smoke up with me? Post up with me, I'm post up picky. If you're not really rolling with me, I'm in the studio going silly. Bros them with me, like the phone's not going silly. Look for my hitters in Bronco, I stepped on my own in Brinny. Preston City, but that jail there's all cold and shitty. Hindley rubbed me up and said it got lost and then posted to me. You must be joking with me, now I ain't got shit, I need O's and clingy. Get my man to throw this thingy. Hope that it lands in the hole of the wings, all hoping with me. I mean, Joe, the phone's broken, but apparently I'm cheating cause she ain't spoken to me. Come off my phone, I'm fucking.
Get off my phone, bro.
I don't like Joe much, but real life catch me a body. I do tracks for a hobby, I push back to the bobby. Put my plaques on the lorry, come most of these so-called drillers are soggy. I need more from me, I'm not sorry. Bad B said that she's riding from me, Clyde and Bonnet. She seen the diamonds on me, said slow down. I move too fast like the sirens on me. If I lived in London, I think that I'd have the trident on me. It's all timing for me, I did my time while they're on me. Led for a Honda, I just wanna give bread to my mumsy. I can't rest till I'm comfy. What did you say? They supported my thing on the come up. But they hated my thing, now I came up. Back when I did, I have a whip, took train up. Broken, I couldn't get sleep, I stayed up. Go get a shape up with my day on. Ain't got my chain tucked, W's up like Wu-Tang, Rayquan, Bando, Sport, hot box, no aircon, OT country spots, bare grade on, festival crowd.
crowd got the same demographic. Still in the track, that's the way I look at it. Step on a box, it's no crate challenge. The ops make tunes, but they just ain't banging. Spare at the moment, my dog ain't planning. Good afternoon, that's a broad day blamming. White thing, all of that spot fake tanning. 2 feet ride on my dick, great balance. Please and thank you, remember your manners. Go uptown, gotta show gratitude. 90 for the show, but it ain't nothing new. Man knew that I blow since from I went school.
Should we have a look at crypto? How's crypto moving? Looking like on a daily old time frame. Wow, it's definitely moving up. Whether it's just a short term or it's finally going up, who knows? If we can close above 21,300, we should be good to go to at least 22,000. And then we need to get through 22,500. Then we can get to 24,000. If we can close above 24,000, that's promising, because then we got a long way to shoot up. And we can try and get up to the 30Ks. And then obviously 32K. Yeah, that's when we start coming back up. But we'll see. It's not going to be quick. It's going to take its time. The climb up is going to be hard. There's lots of areas it could reject off and not go through. But I mean, we'll see what it does.
My brothers been my brothers, man, you niggas ain't no kin to me, a fact. Whoa, I was known for snapping when I chat before the app. Stood on everything I said and never took it back. Whoa, no friends in the industry, I had to draw the line between my brothers and my enemies, a fact. Niggas let us start the beat, don't wanna keep it rap. Yeah, you hit us up and now we owe you something back.
Oh, I went to 19,000 in 2018, back to 3,000. So look at it on the weekly, it's probably easier to see. What do you guys think? How much have we retraced since the high? 77%. How much did we retrace here? 83%. So if it does the exact same thing as last time, where's 83%? 83% is about 12,000 to 10,000 area. Depends. Depends if we'll see any more downside for Bitcoin. Ethereum chart's pretty similar. Chainlink, a little bit different, but similar kind of thing. This could be really big for Bitcoin if this weekly closes above the previous weekly high, the previous weekly low high. That's big. That is very big. Yeah, we'll just have to see what happens with Bitcoin. One minute range 1911.4 to 1914.28. Look for direction break up or down. Done 2 small trades in this area. Very nice. Trading on the 1 minute time frame. You absolute crazy guy. Now I understand why you don't sleep, Maurice. Just trade the 1 minute time frame. Fair play. I respect it. I can't do it myself. I've tried and I've lost. Wasn't for me. gonna go to the toilet, guys. We've still got a long time to chill. We're not going to be looking at taking any positions until this hourly candle closes, so got a while still. Hopefully we can get this 30-minute candle to close just below the level, and then the next 30 closes above. That would be ideal for setups. But yeah, we'll see what we get. If we don't get a trade in 45 minutes, I'm going to call it a day.
It's an infrared beam to hit him up. This hustle, I just can't give it up. I fly overseas, I live it up. I was about, I'm getting it cracking. Had a gush trying to fend me up. Now I'm in stew with Luciano. Is it Hennessy, Sprite or 7-Up? I was dead broke. Wanted to rub me a back like the girls and set it off. Had to get that pole. I weren't trying to die in a field like Stilly and Petrol. I was in the tea with both the best. Like I went up, son, gave pole a head. Like I married the streets. Went like I go up, trying to bring fists like Coke and Ventos. Question. I know you rap, but was you out doing chores before the genre? In the court cells on the Bailey, I was 17 going under, feeling like some fender. Yo, ain't it funny how things change? I'm uptown eating sea bass with a little black pepper. Send a shooter, that's man down. With a realist, that's hands down. I got euros, I got pounds. Is there currency I can't count?
We the drillers, we got clout, we got dollars, we got south. Penthouse groß downtown, mach Blue Cheese, ich leb mein Traum.
Send a shooter, that's man down. With a realist, that's hands down. I got euros, I got pounds. Is there currency I can't count?
We the drillers, we got clout, we got dollars, we got south. Penthouse groß downtown, mach Blue Cheese, ich leb mein Traum.
Last time you told me you proud of me, you wasn't proud of me. You was the nigga who doubted me. I was too mad at you. You let him come kill you, my brother. That shit was a tragedy. But magically, I got the strategy. I was so sick, tired of niggas keep asking me who was the killers between the hood. I'm a king, the king, we good. Talking to TT about my problem. Learn to survive, I carry my chop. Before I was 12, I went to the doctor. Fucked on the strip and I took me a rock. How you my blood, you say you gon' pop me. Fall over loyalty, never back.
Here we go, 1916 gold tee, nice one. 1916, my entry 1914, my target's 20 pips. Nice guys, if you got in those positions, well done. I did say earlier, yeah, good. It was a good setup, good trade. It just wasn't for me, but it is a nice trade. I had some big pip wins last week. One of them was two 50 pip wins last week. It's pretty nice. Unfortunately, I was on reduced risk because I'd been losing prior to that, so a bit annoying. But can't complain. Dub's a dub. Dub is a dub. 14 votes on the poll, now it's pretty even now, 50-50. It's weird streaming, you know, like some days you get no subscribers and some days you get loads. It's so random, you know. Like today I don't think I've gained a single subscriber, or maybe one. And then yesterday I got like 13 or 14. It's just so random. It's a bit like trading, to be honest. You just got to turn up every day. Sometimes you're not always going to get it.
Selling
So yeah, we're rejecting that level at 1914. As to be expected. Well, this 30-minute candle is closing quite nice. Kind of what I want to see really. If we can get the next 30 candle to pop up and close above the range, perfect. Then we can look for some buys. Maurice, looking for next wave to 1918. Bro, you really are trading on the fucking 1 minute time frame, aren't you? Jesus Christ. Well, good luck. You probably should be able to get some more buys, I'm sure.
She say Togo, pass with the thing like relay. Goes for the cause when I got man down. I ain't did this to rap and to the DJ.
Right, that's the half hour close. We just need this next candle to close above, and then that is our last chance of the day for positions. If we don't get that, it's not looking like we're going to get a trade today, I don't think. I mean, you could potentially take a long and GJ here. Not great though. It's cleaner on gold for sure. So I'm just going to wait for that. That's what I'm going to wait for.
Nowadays I don't know who's who.
Cause me and them man, they're different. I ain't tryna face your imprisonment. You off my right hand shit, I get rid of them. Can't rub shoulders with no idiots. How I get 5 in the face for worse. RV's far ended up on Benjamin gang. Had to ask you if it involved. The newsflash, you're a civilian. You know how it goes round there. Anyone holds brand is a free for all. And the team won't talk. On socials, felt like this funeral call. I the up got hit with a bang. I was hot like a meteor. It's either me or you. I came in the team with a ball like Pikachu.
That's how it goes round there, cause that machine it does need to be local. Cause the pagans they be local. If you can't reach for it, then it be your fault. When I'm outside, trust me, it be local. Come on, there is no fool. Can't be outside, big no tool. Nowadays I don't know who's who. That's how it goes round there, cause that machine it does need to be local. Cause the pagans they be local. If you can't reach for it, then it be your fault. When I'm outside, trust me, it be local. Come on, there is no fool. Can't be outside, big no tool. Nowadays I don't know who's who.
We came to you with a boot in. So try run, I'm calling him anyway. I'm outside on the O every day, known as a heavyweight. 3-2's left with a shotgun, heavyweight. Aim for the heady mate. I'm with Axe, that's my bro, getting heavyweight. Rolled on a boot in, feds and heli came, stab it and shelly it. To the pagans to be local, when the gang's local, it's nothing but drama. S on the jaw got burned, it run when I burst it, purging. Fuck with the karma. Dismissal the pistol, I'm needing a whistle. I want the lock or armor. Wet him up, stab him up in a corner. Give him my new trim, no problem.
Ikasan, Prioga, hey bro, buy now, question mark? No, I'm not buying now. Buys above 1917.75. Otherwise I'm not buying.
trust me, it be local. Come on, mum, there is no food. Can't be outside, bait no tool. Nowadays, I don't know who's who. You feel me?
I told my brothers that now I'm a superstar. That doesn't mean I won't buy you machines. Getting this money, it gives me a sugar rush. Think I'm that big, I go with this cream. Treating my brother like he's my mama's child. Too late to reconcile. It made me the bigger man. Now I'm in raves. I count all these stacks of cream. Recline, I lean. My bitch, Celine. The Lou, the V. My life, supreme. I work, they dream. I count, they scheme. I spend, they breathe. The ice, VVs. Packing my bags, I'm about to fly overseas. Send the account receipts. Cashews, everything around me. Cream, drop me so clean, clean, clean. I got a bitch with Celine dream. She fell in love with the CC. Louis bandanas, we put round the hammer. My body's sticking Atlanta. We did not do this for camera, no. Fuck all the glitz and the glamour. For the glamour, been in bandos, still a trapper. Fitted Casper, you know we ain't cappers. In the Maybach, the feelings extend. Recline, I lean, my bitch, Celine, the Lou, the V, my life, supreme. I work, they dream.
The push up to 1918 has reversed. Has it? Why do you think that? I suppose on the 5 minute and 1 minute it might look a lot different, I don't know. I'm looking at the hourly and the half hour, so for me it's not reversed yet. I mean on the half hour this candle could flip easily. Stops to be quite big there, see if we get an hourly closure. That's the only thing. Yeah, if we do close above my level, stop loss could be 50 pips, quite big. Might have to use current candle. Or we roll the bigger stop loss. It's looking like this candle is going to flip bearish. If we break this low of the previous half hour, it's just going to drive down, I think. So we'll see. If we don't get any trades set up in the next 23 minutes, I'm done for the day, guys.
ice biting, she darken. I had to come right back like double back and rerun. I had to come right back like double back and rerun. She like, I'm swiping, ice biting, she darken. I had to come right back like double back and rerun. I had to come right back like double back and rerun. Yeah, go ahead, spin it, I'm mad in it. Yeah, my weekend with curtains, I don't need it in it. Yeah, when it come to how she turns so independent. Yeah, when it come to this D, she turns so damn dependent. Nighttime, summertime, cold. You really wanna say yes, but you saying no. I'm on top of my game like a Kango. I let her draw the rain, then she rake the rose. Yeah, ice biting, Cardi bangos. Yeah, she let me smash her friends long as her chain froze. Yeah, ain't been in 15 minutes while she changed clothes. She ride with me through the city while we swing doors. Slide through the hood, pop up on the north. You know everything good when you with the show. Chosen, outspoken, arrogant, that's on both ends. Good vibes, giving off good vibes. One time, can you kick it one time? She like it, I'm swiping, ice biting, she darken.
You guessed the main action was pre-market on USA, missed both up and down. Time to hit the sack. Yeah, Maurice. Go get your sleep, bro. Go get your sleep. See you in London, sorry. I won't be trading Asian, but if you trade Asian, good luck. And yeah. Not looking like we're going to get a trade, guys, not gonna lie. In fact, yeah, we've broken the previous 30. Yeah, definitely not getting trades now because the stop is going to be massive. It's going to be 75 pips and I'm not doing that. So, guys, we're going to have to call it a day, I'm afraid. We did get in a trade earlier. It hit break even and we avoided taking an L, so can't complain. It's another day blessed. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you again, same time tomorrow. Hopefully we can actually get some trades. I think there's news tomorrow, so hopefully the PPI can get us out of these shitty ranges. Maybe CPI for pound yen in the morning, London session, can get us out of this chop. And we can actually get some decent movement because at the moment the market's just a bit crap. So anyway, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to head off now.